Good morning, first grade. Happy Friday. We are coming to the end of our second week, and I just wanted to let you know I think you are doing a great job, and I just wanted to thank you and keep up the great work. Today is Friday, September 11th, 2020. It is day one, so you have Maker at 11:45, and today is the eighth day of school. So as you can see here, I have added to our 10 frame where we have 5 on the top and then 3 on the bottom, and we can count 5, 6, 7, 8. And we also have our number frame here, or I'm sorry, our number bond rather, our number bond with 8 is the whole, and our first part is 5. And what do you think the other part would be? Yes, 3. You are correct. Can you think of another way to show 8 with different parts? I'll let you think about that for a minute. I also added to our coins. We have our nickel, 5 cents, and 3 pennies, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. All right, excellent. Today we have a great day planned. Before I get into that and let you know what's going on for today, let's go ahead and do the Pledge of Allegiance. So I'm going to stand, and if you would like to stand with me and say the Pledge of Allegiance. I'll come over here and switch. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, excellent. So this morning, first thing coming through on your Seesaw activities will be two things. We're going to work on Spelling City again, and there are two activities that will come up when you first log in as the assignments, just like you saw yesterday. You may just choose one. If you would like to do both, you are certainly welcome to do that, but if you want to just choose one, that's fine. There is the activity that we did yesterday, and then there's a new activity where you are looking for the missing letter to fill in the high frequency words. And these will be with the second half of your kindergarten high frequency words. So again, you may just choose one, or if you'd like to do both, please feel free. And then the other activity coming out first thing this morning, which we thought would be fun for a Friday morning, is a little scavenger hunt where you'll see on the activity there will be boxes with letters written at the top. And what we'd like you to do is try to go around and find an item in your home, or if you make sure and ask a grown-up first, if you want to go outside, you can certainly do that as well, as long as you check with a grown-up, and try to find an item that begins with the same letter that is in the box. And then you'll take a quick picture of it, put it on the activity, and send it back. So we thought that might be a fun way to kind of get up and get moving around this morning for Friday. We will have our 10 a.m. class, and we're kind of moved on from Rainbow Fish, but I think you're really going to enjoy today's reading lesson. We are going to be taking a look at a piece of visual art, and we'll talk a little bit more about that, and we'll get to notice and wonder in this piece of art. And it's a pretty interesting one, so I think you're going to enjoy that. And then you'll have a short response after that, after our 10 a.m. live class related to the piece of art that we'll study. And then this afternoon we have our math class again. If you could just please have the same materials, your dry erase board and marker, and then your two books for math, your Learn book and your practice book. And that will take us to the weekend, the end of the day, and Friday. So let me know if you need anything, if you have any questions, and I look forward to talking and seeing all of you soon at our 10 a.m. class. All right, thanks again.